Welcome back, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to remove the contact information from the lock screen of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. So as you can see, I have contact information on my lock screen, and the information that's on the unfolded side is the same as the one on the side that's been folded. So if I want to remove this information, the first thing I want to do is enter the lock screen editor. I have two ways I can do this. The first is by opening settings and then scrolling down and selecting lock screen and AOD. Then from here, I would tap on edit lock screen. And the second is by accessing the lock screen directly and long pressing to enter the lock screen editor. Again, these instructions apply for when your phone has been unfolded as well. So once you've accessed to the lock screen editor, you want to tap on your current lock screen information, which can be a phone number or an email, and then you want to use the backspace to erase whatever you've typed out. Then tap on done and select done again to save and apply the changes. So now you'll notice that the lock screen, when it's unfolded, doesn't have the contact information, which is the same as when it's folded. So you can see the lock screen when my phone is folded doesn't have the lock screen, my contact information. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.